Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Flagstaff Micro Lite line of travel trailers. These small, lightweight travel trailers are designed for you to be able to tow them with a half-ton truck, or depending on the model, a larger SUV or van. They range in length from just over 22 foot up to 26 foot, and have an unloaded weight a shade under 4,200 pounds to a smidge over 5,300. There are 10 floor plans in total, with 3 of them being bunkhouse models. Since I'm a family man myself, let's start by looking at the Micro Lite bunkhouses. Every bunkhouse model features a versatile Murphy bed at its front. This helps increase the amount of living space during daylight hours and provide a comfy couch to sit in before retiring for the night. The first of the bunkhouses, the 23LB, sleeps 5 with a set of twin bunks in the back, plus a convertible dinette. The 25LB, like the 23LB, doesn't have any slides, but has an outside kitchen plus a nice set of double-over-double bunks on the campside. Add to it the convertible dinette, and the 25LB can sleep 7. The final bunkhouse, the 25BRDS, opens up the living area with a wide U-shaped dinette on a slide. This enables the 25BRDS to have room for an L-shaped kitchen. Double-over-double bunks allow this floor plan to sleep 7, and there's an outside kitchen. The next 3, the 21DS, 23FBKS, and 25BDS, are camping couple-centric. While capable of sleeping more than 2, they are designed for couples ready for their own adventure. Each has the Murphy bed at the front, plus a tall neo-angle shower in the bathroom. The 21DS expands the living area with a U-shaped dinette on a slide. The 23FBKS has a kitchen slide, a smaller dinette, and a larger bathroom than the 21DS. The 25BDS puts a U-shaped dinette in a slide, has an L-shaped kitchen countertop, and adds an outside kitchen with swing-out stove. The final 4 of the Micro Lite family of travel trailers have 2 things in common. They're designed for couples and have a fixed camper queen bed. Most of the bedrooms also have a solid pocket door for privacy. The 21FBRS is a rear bath floor plan with a large sofa on a slide. The 25FBLS, also a rear bath floor plan, has 2 slides, a living area slide with theater seating in the fridge, and the other a wardrobe slide to open up the master bedroom. The last 2 are specifically designed for camper couples who cook. The 25RKS is similar to the 25FBLS as it has 2 slides, but the living area slide holds only the dinette, and the bathroom is moved up adjacent to the bedroom, so a nice-sized kitchen can be placed across the entire back wall. The 25FKS is a front kitchen floor plan with large U-dinette on a slide and an expansive L-shaped kitchen with plenty of counter space. Adding to it is an outside kitchen. The Micro Lite floor plans are certainly captivating, but wait until you hear about the features. Flagstaff Micro Lites really focus on entertainment with a multi-zone stereo and DVD player with Bluetooth, plus a mounted LCD TV, with most floor plans also having a premium soundbar. In the kitchen, you'll take note of solid surface countertops, with many having lots of counter space, 3-burner recessed cooktop with flush mount cover, plus deep double bowl undermount sinks. And there's no reason to sweat. Every Micro Lite comes with a standard 13,500 BTU AC or optional 15K. Exteriors on Micro Lites have plenty of functional amenities: power awning with LED lighting, automotive front windshield, MORryde strut assist fold-in steps. Each Flagstaff Micro Lite is built with double-welded 6-sided aluminum cage construction, vacuum laminated one-piece roof and walls, and screwed and glued cabinetry with solid wood door fronts. Plus, every Flagstaff Micro Lite travel trailer has a torsion axle and rubberized suspension for a smoother towing experience. It goes without saying when you camp that you want to have a certain level of camping comfort. The Forest River Flagstaff Micro Lite has made sure to create a line of laminate travel trailers to keep you camp happy for many camping seasons.